Hey, I'm Joe with RevZilla, and today we're going to take a look at the Symtec Heat Demon heated grips available at RevZilla.com. So Symtec got started in 1989 in Minnesota. We know there's some cold weather riding up there. They actually got started by making heated throttles for ATVs to keep your thumb warm when you're out riding. So they specialize in kits to retrofit your existing motorcycle with some heating elements for those cold weather rides. So what these are for, obviously, are to keep your hands warm when you're riding in cold weather. The Heat Demons go for about $53, and they're available with two different switches. There's the same price with either switch. There's a plastic toggle switch and then a metal toggle switch. So they're both 3-position switches that give you high, low, and off. So Symtec also offers some other options for Harley-Davidson. Their kit is $150 for the Harley-Davidson, where the heating elements actually go inside the handlebar, which makes them compatible with throttle-by-wire bikes. Also, for $70, they have a heating element that can go under your existing seat cover to keep your buns warm when you're out riding. So check those out if you're interested in some other options from Symtec. But as far as fitment goes, these are a universal fit option that will work with any 12-volt motorcycle. Now keep in mind that these usually will draw about 3 amps max when they're on high. So just be sure that your electrical system on your motorcycle can handle that. It's not much more than a typical light bulb, so no big, huge draw with this kit once it's installed on your bike. So how these actually work is you'll remove your existing grips off your bike and attach these self-adhesive panels to your handlebar. So it'll go under your left side grip directly on the handlebar, and then under your throttle grip on top of the throttle tube. So you just need to be sure that you've smoothed down any of the ribs on the throttle tube before you put those on. What I like about that is, as opposed to some of the OEM options out there where you really only have one option as far as the style of grip that's included with the heated element, this allows you to just use any grip that you'd like. So really simple installation as far as getting them on the handlebars. Now when it comes to wiring, obviously I would recommend that you have some sort of wiring experience. Now it really is only about 3 wires, and there's a nice wiring diagram included with the kit. But just be mindful that if you don't have any wiring experience, you may want to get some help from a friend who does, or maybe take them to the shop to have them installed. Main reason being is that with the 2 switches that are included, it requires you to drill a 1/2-inch hole somewhere in your motorcycle. So that could be a dashboard panel or maybe a side panel on your bike, because the wires would need to come from the back of the switch and then go to the battery and, of course, to the ends of these elements here. Not a huge deal, not overly complicated, but just be sure to kind of map that out and make sure that your handlebars can move side to side without binding the wire or anything like that. But very cool option from Symtec to extend the riding season. You know, the main reason that it's important to have warm hands, not only just for comfort, but for control of the motorcycle. Most of the controlling we do with our bikes is with our hands, you know, brake, clutch, all the switch gear and everything like that. So it's really important to be able to control that stuff without having numb hands that are, you know, very hard to operate when it's cold. So it's also a safety thing too. So in addition to comfort, it'll allow you to control the motorcycle better. So if you'd like to see what other riders have to say about these, click the info button on your desktop or mobile device. And if you have any questions about these or anything else you see on our website, give our Gear Geeks a shout at 877-792-9455 or shoot an email to cs@revzilla.com. Thanks for watching our video today about the Symtec Heat Demon heated grips. I'm Joe, and I'll see you next time.